Hey all, we have a 2020 Toyota Highlander key over here. I'm going to show you how to take off the cover to replace the battery and also fix a problem that you may be having. Now this one had a sticking key, so every time you press the lock button it would take a lot of force and it wouldn't light up. Took a lot of force to do it. So this is how you take it apart. Step one, I'm going to try it with one hand as I record. Step one is to take the key out. All you got to do is flip the switch like that, and then with another finger just take the key out. Very straightforward. Step two is you're going to insert something over here and twist. I use my Dodge key. I mean, you could use something similar thickness, maybe a coin or something a little thicker than a coin, spoon or something like that. Okay, let me rest my phone. All right, so I'm just going to take this. I'm going to insert it here, and I'm just going to twist. I'm going to go clockwise, and that's all it takes. It now came apart. And the battery is right over there, okay? Now, what I did was I took out the battery, and this plastic piece was actually folded up right over here. So that was kind of folded in, and it was causing that top button to not press down, okay? So I thought of this thing needed a new battery, and I was kind of upset. It's only been like a year with this car, and we barely use it. It only has like 3,000 miles. But once I took it apart, I'm like, what's going on here? This was all like folded in weird right over here. So I essentially just took it apart, put it back how it's supposed to be, make sure the gasket went all around smooth. You can see right here, it's kind of getting stuck too. So you want to make right there, you can see how it kind of folded. So you want to make sure it's all the way down, all around. And then go ahead and put it back like that. This cover is gonna clip right back on there, just squeeze. Just like that, and press the button and it works again. So like I said, it didn't need a battery, it was just that plastic piece that was funky, but I fixed that key that quickly. Hope this video helped you. If you have any comments or concerns, this is for a 2020 Highlander, but I think most Toyota keys that are this type, it will work with those as well. Thanks for watching, and until next time, peace.